Howdy folks. How are you peeps doing? I'm doing great. So what's happening today is, yesterday I went hunting for a hammer, right? I didn't get one. I have to wait till 9 o'clock today to go to the builders to get a hammer from them and then do what I need to do. So what's the time now? 7:52. It's 8 minutes to 8 a.m. So 1 hour 10 minutes, 70 minutes, not bad to wait. Like I'm in Jolly Land, Jolly Land. Plus I gotta go put the room together. So I wanna take out my stuff, put it in the cupboard, rearrange the clothes today. What I wanna do is centralize my bed and my table for my computer. Because by end of today I expect my computer to be in the room. I'd rather keep it locked away. What was the use of bringing it here then? Today I have to get my door fixed today, so I can lock from today. So anyway, sorry about that. The tray is actually lekker. First day of the morning. So what I wanna do is just relax as much as I can before I start work. So for this hour, I'm gonna be chilling, yo. 9 o'clock is when all the mayhem begins. So my uncle is helping me. He will definitely not want to be on the video, so I can't video once again. Unless it was a contracted worker, then no problem. I video him taking out the doors, whatever. He wouldn't have a problem. Yo guys. So it was cold in the morning and now it's sunny. Like, what gives? It was actually so cold I had to put a huggle on. It's now so hot. I had to take the huggle off, obviously. I don't want to boil, sweat and stink. It's the morning. Good vibes. So, yeah, this winter, I wonder if things will freeze. When it rains, will it drop to a temperature so low that it's going to start freezing things? That will be amazing. Then we get snow. Then I'll make a video. I can't wait for the Wi-Fi. So 13 days left. I'm not gonna give a countdown all the time. So there's just under 2 weeks left. So it is what? What's today's date? The 8th. So what day is the 22nd? If today is Wednesday, next week Wednesday is the 15th. 22nd. 2 weeks Wednesday. 2 weeks from today is when the Wi-Fi will be. Nice. My brain is as sharp as a knife. What calculations, numbers, mathematics, basic mathematics obviously. I'm not bad. I don't know why the vision keeps coming into my brain of me in grade 8, smoking and putting my head down and holding my stomach. That vision is coming to me now. What is happening? What's my body trying to tell me? Is this what my body doesn't want anymore? Okay, so we'll try something, right? I smoked the whole of today. I'm not gonna video all the time. Let's just say the next time I do make a video, I may or may not have a J in my hand. If I'm in the car, I'm going to have a J. I'm gonna smoke the whole of today. And for 1 week, like I took a 1 week break off YouTube, I'm taking a 1 week break off weed. So for 1 week, no weed, starting from tomorrow. I need to relight my J. So, how to play PUBG, man? I wonder if the 3 gigs RAM will be too slow. I would have needed at least a 4 gig RAM. The good thing about a desktop is I can give it to mom and she can upgrade my RAM. So, what I'm gonna do is tell mom to get me 8 gig RAM from work. She must see if she can get a 4, 6 or 8, but I want 8. Rather get 8 one time. 8 one time. Because I'm no Terminator. No am I hater. I'll see you sooner than later. I'm the alligator. Yeah, Mater is slow, that's why he is so roasted. He can drive in the rain, that's why he's so roasted. Roasties. So is Mater the owner of Roasties. The car that can drive backward. Ooh, toward Lightning McQueen backward. Seriously, is rusted. What's his name? Lightning McQueen. I really just forgot his name. That thought came into my head and it went out. But the rusted fellow who can drive backward, who has a tooth coming out, And I just said his name now. It starts with M, I think. You see why the weed is bad? Your brain is not cognitive. So this break is gonna be good for me. It's gonna fix my brain. I'm not smoking too much. I used to smoke 15 J's a day. 1 gram J's. 15 of those. I used to get 2 J's per a banquet. I'll never forget the one day we went to go buy few banquets of J's, and me and Wasim, we came back home. Didn't we take all those J's and we crapped all, we cut all, we made about a 6 to 10 gram bundle there. We put 2 or 3 Rizzlers together and Wasim rolled it. I wouldn't be able to roll such a big scarf, a joint a J. And let me tell you, we got whacked. So guys, I will end off with this. Toodaloo.